Okay, so just a little update on the glamp site. I had some people come and stay last weekend. Weekend before last weekend, something like that. Anyways, there was a storm this past weekend. Yeah, so it was weekend before last, they say. This past weekend. And it rained really hard, and it was really windy. And so I came out here to see what was up at the campsite. Check this out. You see that? Big old branch right there? All that? Yeah. Well, it barely missed the walkway here. And you can't see the zip line. It barely missed the zip line. Came off of that branch right there and just fell here. And you see the zip line there? It barely missed it. And I think it hit this because that was a little bit out of place, and there was another log that was out of place. So that's about all I can tell. You know, we are out in the woods, and it does storm, and trees and branches, they do fall. So I just came here to check on that. Everything else looks good though. It's nice and cool. It's starting to get the time of year where it's like perfect to come glamping. Not too hot in the day, and definitely nice and cool at night. So that was really, I just drove up here to do that, and then I got to check my security camera. It doesn't seem to want to charge with the solar cell, so I think I need to adjust it or something like that. We'll see. All right, so I drove 50 miles to come look at that up there, right? I brought the ladder and the van. I still got my work clothes on. I'm not a chef no more, by the way. I got a job up in Virginia now, so instead of driving 65 miles that way, I drive 45 miles that way from my house. Anyways, yeah, so I forgot my drill. I can't get that thing down. I'm gonna have to go to my neighbor's house, see if I can borrow his.